The meeting we had here in Accra, the Addis Ababa Declaration on Population Development, has been successful because the civil society had substantive discussions. They had a good representation of 140 civil society organizations, and they have given their input. Then the population experts across Africa discussed the progress of the Addis Ababa Declaration, but also the barriers and challenges that they faced. And the outcome was very, very positive, very substantive. They had some feedback on the data accuracy, which was corrected, very useful feedback, which we enrich the report based on their contributions. And the ministerial meeting was a very successful one. Basically, they endorsed the Addis Ababa Declaration Plan of Action. They recommitted themselves to intensify, accelerate the implementation of the Addis Ababa Declaration with emphasis on harnessing the demographic dividend, investing more on sexual and reproductive health and rights, the importance of education, employment, and decent work for young people. What I say is this is a substantive progress for UNFPA in advancing partnership with different stakeholders to review the ICPD +5 because the last review was 5 years ago. In Latin America, they reviewed successfully the Montevideo Consensus, and just last week the Eastern Europe and Central Asia reviewed their progress over the last 5 years. Now the Addis Ababa Declaration on Population Development. So this is a major success because our teams across the organization have worked together in collaborative way and team to support member states and the key partners in Africa context, the Africa Union and the United Nations Economic Commission for Africa. So the next is meetings for Asia and Pacific and for the Arab states. Both of them are relatively would be smooth because we have lessons and experience that we have learned from the 3 regional reviews, and we will inform the preparation and the planning of those conferences based on the successful and the lessons we have drawn from these conferences.